Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you best spot to catch the ruby in Fish It game on Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. As we know that we need to catch the gemstone ruby if we want to complete the diamond researcher, and I'm going to show you how you can get the gemstone ruby. If you want to get the gemstone mutation guys, you can use one of the tips is using the potion. I'm going to go to my items, and okay, you can use the mutation potion. It will help you to get the gemstone mutation. You can also wait for the mutation weather, and you can also enchant your rod so you can get more possibilities for the mutation. For example, right here I got mutation hunter from the enchanted stone, so it can give me 30% more chance for mutation. Okay, and now it's time to show you how you can get the ruby, the best spot to catch ruby. The first one, you can catch the ruby on the ocean. I'm going to select ocean right here. Okay, as you can see, you can get ruby here, but it's pretty hard to get ruby from the ocean guys. I would like to recommend you to catch the ruby on the treasure room in Lost Isle. It will be easier for you to catch ruby. And the next one, you can also catch ruby from the tropical grove. Okay, it's easy. It's easier than the ocean. So for catching this ruby, I recommend you to catch it on the treasure room in Lost Isle, and also tropical grove. Okay, it's recommended than the ocean. In the ocean, it's more difficult to catch ruby. And okay guys, that's all the tips from me to catch the gemstone ruby in Fish It. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.